The Ninja 650, often called the middle child of sports bikes, brings the lightheartedness of smaller bikes and the attitude of leader bikes. But does it really live up to the hype? With several years of riding and owning my 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650 under my belt, I'm here to share my thoughts. Stay to the end and find out why this bike turned out to be the best choice I could have made. Back during the pandemic, I decided to venture into the world of motorcycles. After hours of research and debating with myself, giggity, I went for the Ninja 650, a middleweight bike that promised the best of both worlds. 4 years and thousands of miles later, let's talk about the pros and cons and my honest experience. If you're an experienced rider or someone who just wants to go fast, the Ninja 650 is not going to satisfy your need for speed. With a top speed of around 130 miles per hour, it's significantly slower than a Yamaha R6 or the Ninja's older cousin, the ZX6R. While it's quick enough for most riders, the lack of top-end speed can feel quite limiting. Next, the sound leaves you wanting more. The Ninja 650's stock exhaust sounds like a juvenile lion cub and not a full-grown king of the jungle. While the bike is tuned for efficiency and commuting, it sacrifices some of the excitement you'd expect from a sports bike in this category. The Ninja 650 is great at many things, but doesn't truly excel in any one area. It's a commuter's dream and a beginner's go-to bike, but it doesn't have that unique flair like some of the more specialized competitors in the 600 class. Now, 4 years later, I've come to appreciate my Ninja 650 for what it truly is: a reliable, versatile bike that grows with you. It may have its flaws, but this bike has become an extension of me and my riding journey. Now, let me tell you why it's been the best choice I could have made. The Ninja 650's upright seating position, wide handlebars, and mid-set foot pegs make it one of the most comfortable sports bikes on the market. Whether you're commuting to work or tackling weekend twisties, it keeps you relaxed and in control. The Ninja 650 is also a great value. The current MSRP for a 2025 model starts at $82.99. But I snagged my 2019 650 back in March 2020, just before the pandemic, for just $7,200 with only 700 miles on it. Now, compared to the $12K price tag for other 600cc class bikes, that's a steal and a real deal. Finally, the Ninja 650 is a bike that keeps you safe. With modest power and predictable handling, it helps prevent the kind of overconfidence that leads to risky behavior. For beginners or anyone who values safety, this is a huge plus. At the end of the day, being the middle child has its perks. The Ninja 650 balances safety, comfort, and performance in a way that's hard to beat. While it might not be my forever bike, it's definitely one I'll hold on to for a long time. And when I do upgrade, a ZX6R will probably be next in line. What bike do you ride, and what's your favorite thing about it? Drop your answers in the comments below so that we can chat about what makes each bike special. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, tips, and motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!